美國總統特朗普表示，針對伊朗嘅大規模軍事行動，預計持續4至5個星期，甚至更長嘅時間。美軍話由上個星期六以嚟，對伊朗境內超過1250個目標發動攻擊，美軍陣亡人數已經增至6個人。以色列方面至少有11人喪生。伊朗紅新月會表示，至少有555個伊朗人死亡。
美國總統特朗普星期一談及伊朗局勢。
This was our last best chance to strike what we're doing right now and eliminate the intolerable threats posed by this sick and sinister regime.
特朗普表示，伊朗拒絕停止尋求發展核武，所以佢下令對伊朗發動襲擊，以阻止伊朗推進核計劃同埋一個迅速發展嘅彈道導彈項目。又話軍事行動將會持續。
Right from the beginning, we projected 4 to 5 weeks, but we have capability to go far longer than that. We'll do it.
美國國防部長克格塞斯今朝早展述針對伊朗軍事行動嘅目標。
Destroy Iranian offensive missiles, destroy Iranian missile production, destroy their navy and other security infrastructure, and they will never have nuclear weapons.
克格塞斯表示，目前美軍冇地面部隊進入伊朗，但未排除有關可能性。
We'll go as far as we need to go to advance American interests, but we're not dumb about it. You don't have to roll 200,000 people in there and stay for 20 years.
伊朗就繼續喺中東針對美軍基地報復。
We expect to take additional losses, and as always, we will work to minimize U.S. losses.
美國國防部證實，美軍3架 F-15戰機喺科威特被錯誤擊落，6名機組人員全部安全彈射逃生並且獲救。早前有消息指，伊朗曾經透過中間人同美國接觸，希望重啟談判。伊朗最高國家安全委員會秘書拉里賈尼表明，德黑蘭唔會同華盛頓談判，並且已經為長期戰爭做好準備。